Hi friends, this is Apoorv and welcome to my channel. I am making a new playlist called App Previews. In this playlist, I'll be showing you some useful apps I have made it by myself, and you can use also them by clicking on the link on the description. Uh, I have written the link. You should click. You have to not to download any software or install any app. You have to just click on the link and you'll be redirected to the website where I have created this. So let's get started. I have made an app called App Calculating Minutes in Hours. So if I will enter the value in minutes, like 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So the result in the hour is 1. And if I will do like 120, which will be 2 hours. So you can see here I will input the minutes and I'll here get the hours. So any else like 90, 1.5 hours. So this is how the app works, and you should also check it out. It's completely